This is DC input, the DC input voltage, current rating taking for the motor. So now motor is running through the DC input. So this is the DC input supply voltage which is going to VFD. So this is voltage DC input, and VFD is running in 50 Hertz, and this is the AC input MCB. So this is presently off now. So drive is running in continuous 50 Hertz with the DC input. So this is the motor running in full speed. So once we'll this is the ampere which we can check. Next. This is the AC ampere. Now the AC is off. AC supply is off. So there is no input in the ampere. So once I will switch on the AC. AC is on now, but the DC is at the setting range. So once if we decrease the DC input, so power will share through this AC input.
This currently to DC.
So this is the current which is drawing through a DC input. Now we are decreasing the DC input. So as you see in that display, now you can monitor the ampere. So as per our DC input is decreasing, so the load is running through DC input whenever the DC input is as per required. So once it comes down, the ampere is switching to the AC input. Yeah. So this is the AC voltage ampere. So now we'll increase the voltage of the DC input. So this AC input will be reducing. Yeah. So now you can see here the ampere which is drawing AC is now fully closed with a 50 Hertz, and there is no variation in frequency. DC input is fine. So total load is getting from the DC input.
And we reduce this little bit, even sharing.
Yeah. When we are reducing the voltage, so ampere it is taking from both AC and DC.
Here it is 0.25.
Here it is 331 AC input, and ampere is 0.24. So as our AC input is also on, so from AC it is getting the 0.54 amps. Now we'll increase the DC input. So this AC input will be closed. So now total input it is getting from the DC input. Yeah. So total input is getting through the DC input.
I'll increase, reduce the DC.
Now reducing the DC. So ampere here fully reduced. So DC inputs drive is not using. So drive is using the AC input now. As you can see, this is the AC input.